Yo, what's good, family? It's your boy Carson256, man. We back at it again with another one. Today we doing the Nike Calm Slides Floral. You know this for the women this time. Y'all make sure y'all please like and subscribe. Y'all been going crazy lately, man. So I'm gonna keep on dropping videos for y'all, man. So y'all please like and subscribe. Y'all been making them go up, man. Give me to 100 subscribers real quick, and then we'll keep on trying to, climb that ladder. So without further ado, we got these, Nike Calm Slides Floral. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get right into it. Try not to waste none of y'all's time. Okay. Ooh, I ain't gonna lie, these kind of nice. Let me go ahead and get them up out the box real quick. I'm gonna tuck that tag up under there. Get a nice close up so y'all can see them. That print is real icy, I ain't gonna cap. If you know, I am an artist too, so I really enjoy the flowers on this one, man. I had to get this one for my lady, you know what I'm saying? So y'all check them out. Get this string out the way so y'all can really see the details in this thing. I don't know who painted it, I gotta do my research, you know what I'm saying, or who made the print, but they look real nice. I'm gonna get her to model them for y'all at the end. Got the Nike swoosh right there, kind of embossed or whatever. Nike sign right here. Then at the bottom, they got the print at the bottom. So I don't know if a lot of these had this bottom on it, but I thought that was real nice and real dope. Let's check out the other one. Same thing, just a real nice print on here. Real dope. This kind of look like somebody painted on here for real, you know what I'm saying? It kind of just freestyled on it. So I always like the organic look, you know what I'm saying? Not something that's just like, something that don't look computerized, you know what I'm saying? Real dope slide. Let's see how they both look up underneath. Real dope. So these got the same print underneath. Just a reflection. Get it from the side. Boom. Real nice slides. I think they're gonna look real dope. I don't know how comfortable these are, but they look a little hard though. I really like them. I should probably come out with more colorways with this. I know it's got flowers on it and stuff, but if they had like this in black and white, you know what I'm saying, I'll probably rock these, you know what I'm saying? Real dope. Girls get all the good colors. I'm gonna let her model these for y'all. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. Y'all let me know anything or any shoe or anything in particular y'all want me to unbox, man, and I'll unbox it, man. Y'all just keep on watching, keep subscribing, man. But like I say, back at it again with another one.